Hi, this is Elisa from Local King Robertson. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very short one because it's a kind of continue from my last video. And the good news is this is going to be the last video that I'm using this combo set. So the next week, I am going to choose a new set to working on next week's YouTube video. If you have any stem set that you want me to do a create a video, just leave me a comment, give me the title of the stem set, and then I will working on it. That will be very interesting to see the project that I make, right? So if you purchase this con stem set and you have made a card you would like to share with us, you can always post on the Local Kings on Facebook page, or you can just send me an email and I will post on my page and with your name, of course. So today's video is actually very simple one. I'm going to show you how can you make your own stickers. I don't know is that the name called those glitter glue. So you just have to have some white glue and the glitter that you have, and then you can make any color you want. See those stickers that I created for my butterfly and on the top center of my orchid. It's so easy to create. And also I have some leftover from some pattern paper left over from my last project. So why we wasted? So that's why I come up with this idea, and I'm also going to show you a great tip. So this is going to be 5.5 card. So what you're going to do is just use a letter size and you're going to cut the 5.5 wide. And then after you folding it, you're going to trimming 1.5 inches. And the other piece is also 1.5 inches. That's going to be our front card from the top and the bottom. And then I also have some glitter paper that was leftover from my last card. So I'm going to mount it. And then I have, so these glitter sheets is 1.5 by 5.25. And then I have the strip is going to be 1 by 1 inches and the 5 inches. So I have a 2 sheets here. So I'm going to just here. And then I have a piece acetate, and this acetate is a 5.5 by 5.5. So I'm going to fast forward to glue everything. I will write back to explain to you how we are going to do that stickers. Okay, so I have my strip ready, right? And then now I am going to just glue my I'm going to just glue my 5.5 acetate here. Okay, so that's my front and then the bottom. I'm going to just put a little bit tape here. Okay, and then so that's my front, right? It looks really pretty, really something special. I don't have enough pattern paper to make a one full size card, but I have to enough paper to make the other card. So and then we open it and say, hey, that's the glue mark. That's ugly. Can we do something? Of course, we are going to cover it. So I still have two pieces, and then this is the 1.5 by 5.5. So the whole sheet 8.5 by 11 is enough to make one 5 by 7 5 by 7 and the one 5.5 by 5.5. See, I just completely covered that glue mark, and also I have a front. See, I already did that. And then I think when you open the card, and that looks really pretty, isn't it? Okay, so today's video, I am not going to show you how to cover it. And then see, this is a reverse image. Let me show you. See this card, right? The butterfly is on the left and this one is on the right. How did I do that? Make sure you watch the video number. I don't know which number. I am going to put the number here when I editing this video. Okay, so this is too big, right? I cannot, fit it out all of them. So yeah, see, they are kind of reversed. How come my small butterfly is here, but this one is here? Because they are reversed. So we are going to just use a part of that, and then I am going to trimming my big butterfly. And then when I design my stamp, I thought about it because I want to use individual butterfly. So when I design this stamp, I kind of go under the butterfly. So that way, when I trimming just the butterfly, I don't, my butterfly is not going to miss apart. So that's how when I design my stamp, I always think about it, play it in my mind first, and then I make it happen. So that will fit nicely, right? So you do whatever you like. And I was mentioning the reverse image, the color is a little bit lighter compared with like a regular stamping. So I have my butterfly and I have my okay here. And then, but I feel like something is missing, right? I want to add a little bit more. So that's how I come up with this glitter idea. But before we do that, you can do this first, do your glitter first, and then you can glue back. Or we can just glue first, and then we do the glitter. And then this is something else that I would like to share with you. So I'm going to do this. You can see the back of the die cut have a lot of cutting line, right? So that's the pre-cut. Is also some extra feature that when I do my design, try to add a little bit extra texture to make your card like a 3D. You don't have to do anything, just pop them out. And now I am going to share the mistake that I made when I made my sample card, okay? Because I think you guys let me the comments, see, you want to know what kind of mistake to avoid it. So when I make my sample card, I didn't pop those little pieces out. And after my glue dry, they are all stick together. I'm not able to pop out. It's a little bit hard to pop them out. So this time I actually pop them out first and I'm going to do the glue and I'm going to do my sentiment. And then in the inside of the card, if you find out it's too empty, we can always add a little bit more. Let's just add a little bit more before we do the final stuff. I should probably change your background stamp set. Well, this is just the one right in front of me, so I'm going to use it. And then I actually want to add a little bit green, so I have this multicolor impact. I'm going to just do this because my flower is kind of green, right? Sorry, it's kind of colorful. I want to give a little bit green, so that's how I do my background stamp. And I think it's a pretty nice green. See, it looks much better. This one, it doesn't have the background, so I'm going to just add a little bit background too. Okay, and let's do a little bit in the middle. Ah, really don't like the glitter because all my table is glitter. Remember what I say? Did I tell you before? Glitter is not your friend. Do at your friend's house. Okay, so now have you watched my other video, the glue CPR? Okay, so I was showing how to do a refill for these glue bottles. And a lot of you guys share your tip with me. Some of them say, Lisa, you can try to get a syringe. That's awesome. But the problem is that how can I get a syringe, right? So if you have a syringe, you move the needle part, and I think that's very easy to do that. Hey, Monday, I'm going to see my doctor, so maybe I can ask her to give me a syringe. But if you don't have a syringe yet, make sure you watch this video. I will put the link below. It's called the glue CPR. So that way you can refill your glue. You have no problem. So I got this little bottle here, and then I am going to just put the glue because the tip is so fine. So it's very easy. This bottle actually I got it. They are for making the cookies. They are doing the icing. So and then I found out it's perfect. In the beginning, I really have a hard time to refill it. But if you watch that video, the glue CPR, and then you will learn how to refill this glue. You can do the clear glue or you can do the white glue and then you don't have to worry about that anymore. So I kind of just put a little bit on my butterfly, a little bit on top of my orchid. And then I want to put a little bit on the butterfly. Just like icing, you can put a little bit more because these bottles is just so tiny and make this so easy. So let's just do. So take your time and try to do a little bit fast. So I don't really go for the detail, the body of the butterfly. Okay, and then these one a little bit here. I think that's pretty good. Just want to give a little bit glitter. Okay, because this bottle is so fine. Look, I can even draw a line with these bottles. So just don't check the craft section, check the baking section. This is exactly, I don't really know how to bake, but I saw those people make those beautiful cookies. That's so delicious, like so pretty. You don't even want to eat. Okay, so now the glitter time, the glitter time. Oh, after you use this one, you make sure you got to close it or use a needle. Try to clean the tube before you put it back. And I always store it upside down so that way they are ready to use all the time. And then now I am going to grab a coffee filter here. And I have my glitter here. So just grab a glitter. You can even use the color one, but I think I just want to keep it simple. So I just use these white, like a snow dusting, and then you just put it on top. Okay, I want to show you. I think after this card project, I'm not going to touch glitter for a while because all my tables are glitter. Okay, you can see now all the place that you put the glue, they pick up the glitter, right? I'm going to put the glitter back later and don't sneeze. And then wait completely dry. Wait until this one is completely dry. And then we're going to find a soft brush. So you can go to the dollar store, buy a soft, like a soft makeup brush, and then now you can kind of brush off the extra glitter that I don't need anymore, and then see how pretty it is. So, but I got to wait. This one is not got to wait until it's completely dry. If you don't believe me, give it a try. You will find out the glue is ruining your beautiful card. So that's today's video, something very simple. And then I have a space here so you can do your sentiment there. Okay, and here's one more thing you got to do. If you want to stamping the sentiment, right? The first card I put the sentiment, and this one is a cover. I cannot see. If you want to do the sentiment, I would suggest you to use the pencil. Here is a 1.5 inches, right? Try to draw a pencil line here, but that's before you do your glue glitter. So you draw a pencil line, and then when you stamped it, you know the border is here. So when you do the sentiment, your sentiment will show. But if you don't do that, when I stamped it, kind of my sentiment half is on the top is a block. That's ugly. So that's I have to do something to fix it. Well, actually, you can find my boo boo. I actually put the other card. Fingerprint. Damn it. So I actually have to put the other piece because I'm kind of very picky about that. So that's a mistake I made, and I don't mind to share with you. So hoping you, when you do it, you can try to avoid that. So just make sure, just use a pencil, kind of just draw a line, and you can erase it after that. So this is going to be my last project by using this comb stamp and the die cut combo set. And then remember, this promotion is going to be in until February 28, and then they will be bounced back to the regular price, and I move on to the next stamp set. If you can give me an idea which stamp set or die cut that I should use for the coming video, I will be very happy to working on the new video to show you the great techniques that I know. And so the plates are here, and I'm so excited. I'm going to do the unbox with you and share the name that my friend Sean and Melody help you to name the stamps. Some of them is so funny and cute. And I'm going to working on the we are going to start to take an order for those A background stamps. So I'm going to explain that in our next video. I'm going to offer a very great deal. And the A background stamp come with actually the magic mushroom if you don't have the magic mushroom yet. So I think that will be a very good the deal for you guys too. And remember, once a while, I will provide the special coupon code just for my viewers only, and the time is a limit. So if you, I will start the pre-order promotion soon, but to thank you to be a wonderful viewers, I usually provide the extra coupon code, so you can use that coupon code on top of our pre-order promotion. So you don't want to miss that. Okay, I am still doing the swap and I haven't received some card for a while. I do have some, but I don't have enough card to do a sharing. And then for the second card challenge, we sold a lot of stamp set, but I didn't get enough cards yet. You have the time until March 15. March 15, I'm start to sharing it. And remember, you purchase stamp set, you get a $10 gift certificate, and I already saw the people using those certificate already. So make sure if you purchase a stamp set, use the stamp and then make a card and send it to me. And then so we can do the card swap. If you are too lazy, you can take a picture and I will print it out and show as a picture. But I would love to have the cards, so that's more exciting to share all the project with other crafter. Okay, so hoping you can working on your project and send it to me, even though after past March 15, the deadline for the second card challenge is March 15. But you can still send me the card. You don't get that $10 gift certificate, but I count as a card swap. So I will send you a card. You probably get one of the card that I created in my videos. Okay, so that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.